We going surprise a friend who was getting a brand new motorcycle today.
Brand spanking new, right out the crate.
All right, it's early in the morning.
Early.
Not motorcycle time anyway,
Early.
but the sun has risen and we going surprise a friend who was getting a brand new motorcycle today.
Brand spanking new, right out the crate.
He don't know we coming. We got 200 miles. Well, one of the GPS say 243, but we think it's under 200 miles.
Right.
That we riding up there just to surprise him and say congratulations.
That's all we want to do. Congratulations.
You're going to see when we get there.
Congratulations.
That's right.
All right, let's go.
So we get on the bikes and y'all going to roll up there with us.
With us. Let's go.
Work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Stick around, let me hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around, let me hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud. What they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella. Ay, getting fed up, nothing you could tell us. Snapping every shot I take, just wait till it develops. Stick around, let me hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around, let me hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud.
All right, we almost at the destination, y'all. Hopefully he's there. And if not, hopefully we can catch him coming in. We at Southern Howard Power Sport. Go find us a parking spot and go in there with the cameras rolling. Yep. Oh, okay. All right, we are officially here. Coming on your right. And look across the street. European Motorsports. All right, we got to get out these hot clothes and go in there and see if he's there, or he has an appointment to come in at a specific time, or he probably gone already. Because we didn't know he didn't know we were coming, y'all. All right. Look at that, y'all. We tried to sneak up on him, and he caught us coming out. But Cake, look at that shirt. Cake, look at that shirt. You know who the rivals are. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? Y'all must be camping close.
About 240
I
miles.
was sitting there looking like,
I was saying, I hope he in there right now. That's who we came to surprise.
Damn, I just just kept like that. They look
Yo,
familiar.
that's who we came to surprise Slappy Adventure picking up his new ride today. Hey, baby. Yeah, look at that. We're about 240 miles out.
I should have put him on myself. I should have put the.
Look at that, y'all.
I'm not sure. I'm upset. I don't even.
How you feeling right
put
now?
That on the daggum. I feel happy. Cut. I feel happy.
That's right, everybody. Southern Honda Power Sport. Here in, well, outside of Chattanooga, Tennessee. But check this out. We're about to go in right now. We've seen a lot of bikers coming to this area, do their thing. And here we go. Oh, that's the.
But
Yeah, how y'all doing?
about 4 or 5 years.
Oh, what's your name? Thank you.
My name is Brian,
Brian. He's been
Brian?
following us for 4 or 5 years.
Oh, wow.
and I used to have your exact bike. I had the blue one.
The blue.
The SSB?
I had the exact same bike. I just got rid of it October of 23.
What you got now?
2018 DCT.
The brown
That's
one?
yours, the brown.
That's what we're talking about, yeah. She want a brown one.
Yeah. They only made 500 of those. And out of the 500, only 300 of them were DCT.
I want the points.
And you guys probably saw him 1,000 times. Right there.
I've been pulling with
Uh-huh.
bikes and doing restoration.
Only saw him on video before, but now I get to see him in person. What's your name?
Gary Collier. Gary Collier.
You just look familiar.
I get that right. I guess I had one of those.
I got a brother look just like you. Now I'm playing.
Oh, well, my cousin was like,
Oh, serious?
favorite, see, just like.
That's what's up, y'all.
You're gonna put a new meaning in those Rolling Stones to keep that. No, that'll keep my pocket. Oh, somebody. I been doing this ever since I was about 13.
I shouldn't be recording this because this is making me hungry. Man, I'm about to go run out and eat.
Since 68. Okay.
I'll walk around for a second. Look at that. Watch this, y'all. Watch. And that's 100% true. If you never own one, you never understand. See, this is basically my, what is it, 88? No, I want to say I had a 92 1500 blue. Name of it was Big Smurf. Oh man, most comfortable bike they ever made. And here's the interior. I'm about to turn the cameras off and walk around. I might be leaving here with a new bike. Don't tell Cake. See y'all, this the kind of stuff that gets you in trouble. I wasn't coming to buy nothing. Who knows what I'm gonna walk out here with? I don't know. Good thing we came. Cake checked her tires and she getting some new tires. See, like this right here.
We got a lot more tires than that in the back.
It's the kind of stuff that gets you in trouble. Yep, that'll fit my bike. Now I gotta go find her. Or Slappy, I don't know where Slappy went. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Look, y'all, watch this. True YouTuber, look at that right there. True YouTuber, got his camera on it already. Ooh, got the bars on it. Oh, he about to go smoke. Getting the final touches on this bike, y'all.
Bowland or Moline?
Look, I asked him what he named his bike. You know, we always name our bikes, but he don't want to tell me. You got to wait for the video. His video probably out before this one come out. Because, you know, we like 243 miles away. It took us a while to get here. And he didn't know we were coming. We tried to surprise him, but he saw us and came out and walked out on us. But we love it. We're not going 243 miles back. We're going to get a hotel for the night, then we're going back. But thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. If you haven't subscribed already, yelling so much losing my voice. Go down and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more coming for you because y'all know Cake and I, Books and Jeans Riders, we all over the country. All over the country. Yep. All right, y'all, we about to wrap it up here. To know more about Slappy Bike, make sure you go check out his video because I don't want to put stuff out. I don't want to reveal anything that he want to reveal in his video. But if his video out before ours, then you already know. For Bulls and Jeans Riders, I'm Rich. That's Cake. Slappy over there. And we out. Peace.